Now that you have checked out your items from the SJSU King Library, there are a few things to note about returning items and fees. To return an item, you can return the item at any of the library locations, and if it's after the library is closed, the item will be considered returned on the following day. And any item that is borrowed, the person borrowing is responsible for any loss or damage done to that item. For fines for SJSU materials, they don't have any daily fines for general materials, but they will be considered lost after 14 days of the due date. And the person will be billed to replace the cost of that item of $110 per item. And fines for course reserves, for any hourly checkout reserves, it's $1 per hour with the maximum fine of $20. For a daily checkout reserves, it's $5 per day with the maximum of $20.